Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Eman's 7 full guide. Start by locating the official application portal and gather your ID, proof of address, and payment method. Next, complete each form section carefully, double-check entries, and upload clear document scans. Follow any specific eligibility checks and note processing times so you can plan accordingly. Finally, monitor your email for confirmations and next steps to avoid delays. Gather documents early to avoid delays and ensure they meet format and date requirements. Scan or photograph each item clearly, save files as PDF or JPG, and verify readability. Keep originals handy in case of verification requests and redact unrelated sensitive details. If you need translations, use certified translators to prevent rejection. Organize documents by label and date to streamline the upload process during application submission. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long application sessions, and it made my paperwork day more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When filling the application, use consistent information that matches your documents exactly to avoid mismatches. Review each field before submission and use built-in validation tools if available. Save progress frequently and take screenshots of confirmation pages for your records. If an error occurs, follow the official correction steps promptly. Staying proactive reduces the chance of follow-up requests and helps you get a decision faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.